Good morning everyone. Welcome to my first ever vlog. I'm pretty nervous about it, not gonna lie, so be easy on me. Today we decided we're gonna go to YPO Valley. I haven't been to that side of the island in a really long time, so I'm excited to take you guys with me, and it should be really fun.
You
Well,
can
do a little bit.
Go. Yeah, we got it all on camera.
I don't trust myself.
He's so close to my face.
Who wants to do another one?
You're running? Good morning everyone. So today is very exciting. Right now it's 7 in the morning. I'm just about to go shoot a photo shoot with Fused Hawaii, which is a bathing suit company. And I really adore them just because they adore like all body shapes. They don't Photoshop their images, so if you check them out on Instagram, they just like post all different types of bodies, which I really admire and love. Their swimsuits are a little bit more sporty. The photographer sent over some of the pieces I'm going to be wearing today, and I'm really excited. Some of them are really, some of the patterns are really my style, and I'm pretty excited. So I'm hoping I get to take you along with me today, because I think that'd be such a fun thing. I've never done anything like this before. I'm really excited and very nervous. Someone's coming to pick me up soon, so she should be here any minute. We just finished shooting the first look. Here, I'll show you the second look. It's really cute. The lighting in here isn't great, but it's a cute little blue one, kind of more sporty looking. But I want to show you this house, because this house is insane. You walk in and oh my god, it's like a dream house. It's all colorful, full of plants, full of fun patterns, and the photographer's mom's an artist, so everything's so beautiful and colorful. And then the best thing is there's a waterfall down here sometimes. They don't have it on right now, but they have their own pond. For my first shoot, I was wearing a bikini close to like this pink shade, and we went in that pool. It's just so beautiful. It's like a beautiful infinity pool, and I was wearing this flower shirt. But that was the funnest thing I've ever did, and it smelled so nice. a flower shirt and it looked like armor, so I felt so powerful. It was awesome. I switched up my makeup to a little teal because she wanted a little makeup change. So I think I'm having the best time ever. We just got to the second house and it is the most beautiful house I've ever seen. It's the most aesthetic thing. Here, I'll show you the bathroom and then I'll give you a little tour. The concrete walls and the wood and the 2 sinks, like as if. Toilet. This shower, oh my god. It's like all outdoor. Look at all this. Beautiful rock. Oh my god, there's so many rooms. I want to go creep everywhere. Oh my god, this place is the most relaxing. The doors all open up and it sounds so nice, like the wind when it hits the grass. I want this place. If I had $3 million, I would. If you have $3 million, you can buy this place, but it's not really pocket change. You guys aren't even ready. Victoria's playing piano. I'll go see her in a sec, but you guys aren't ready for this. Hold on to your pants. Amazing is this. This is the second last bathing suit we just shot. It's the same as that blue one I had on earlier. We had this in the tub. Ugh, it was magical. I just got back from the photo shoot. That was the most amazing experience ever. I'm so happy I went through with it. I was a little bit nervous, but I'm so proud of myself that I did it, and I just felt so confident the entire time. I felt so beautiful. Yeah, yesterday it was the last day that my cousins and my auntie and stuff were here, so the boys went to go golf and the girls went to the beach at Hapuna Beach, which is like a long white sand beach. They shipped the sand from Australia, so it was nice. We spent just a little time because my stepdad broke his arm pretty badly. Like the bone right here was sticking out of his arm. It was horrible. His golf ball went into some loose lava rock, so he went to go retrieve it, and the rock slipped from underneath him and he fell on his side, and he has a puncture on his leg and like scratches all over because lava rock is so extremely sharp. So yesterday he had some surgery because his arm was really fucked up. But yeah, he just got home. Right when I got home from the shoot, I was surprised that he was here, so because he was supposed to still be at the hospital for another day just to keep watch, but he was doing so well. He's healing super well, so thank God he's here because I was pretty nervous about that. I didn't vlog too much when my cousins and stuff were here because I tried, but I just really wanted to enjoy my time with them and have a little bit of vacation. I didn't do much makeup. I didn't really do much of anything except chill and really bond with them and just hang out with them. It was really nice. But it's just going to be me, my parents, and my grandma, so it's going to be super chill. We'll probably just do some relaxing, and I'll just bring you along and really show you where we live when we're in Hawaii. Good morning, everyone. I had the best sleep ever, and I must have slept like a brick because my hair isn't that crazy. Usually when I wake up, it's the biggest poof. It's such a beautiful day. Whenever I'm here, I don't close my blinds because I like to wake up naturally, and that way I wake up early and I don't waste the day away. This is the view from my window. Those are my favorite flowers ever, plumerias, and they smell so lovely. But look at these palm trees. It's such a clear day. You can really see everything. I'm not sure what we're doing today, but I sure know I'm gonna go downstairs and get coffee. Look, I made a little friend. Oh, he's so cute. My little guy. Oh, he jump so far. So this is the gate. It's called a makaha. Yeah, a makaha. It allows the smaller fish to come into these ponds through these gates, and then once they're in the actual big pond, they get stuck when they grow and they can't go out back into the ocean. It was pretty much their fridge. It's the royal fish pond, so it just made the catching of the fish like easier. And it also, the gate allows the fresh ocean water to circulate through the entire ponds and just keep everything alive.
Where's the eels, Julia?
Yeah, and there's a few eels in this one. An eel in this dark corner here. I don't think the camera will be able to pick it up because it's so in the shadow, but he's right there.
Flotsam, jetsam.
Yeah, Flotsam and Jetsam. He loves this rock. It's pink and blue just like him. He's like, this is my lover. I don't know.
Oh,
He almost threw fins.
Threw up.
He almost threw fins at another fish who came close to his lever rock. It was hilarious.
What?
Get it? Instead of throw hands,
Yeah.
threw fins.
I get it.
There's a turtle approaching my grandma right now. So close to it. Oh my god. Good morning, everyone. So last night I kind of just sat in my bed and edited this vlog all night. I was having so much fun. But anyways, today my parents are off to Waimea to go see the surgeon again, just to get a little checkup.
Bye, baby. Love you.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
It's kind of crazy because when he broke his arm, the surgeon on this island comes he comes for just a week, every few months. So it was like crazy timing that the surgeon was already on the island when he broke his arm. So, and the surgeon is leaving today, so it's been a little bit crazy. I can't believe the timing of that. But yeah, so he's gonna go get a checkup, see how it's doing. Hopefully it's good. So today I don't know what I'm gonna do. Might just be kind of a chill day. I'm drinking some of my favorite cold brew, this one, the Double X espresso. When I first bought that, I was still living in Vancouver and I had to walk so far to get it. When I first bought it, I drank the whole thing in a day. My parents got back from the hospital for their checkup. He's doing all good. Show them, Dan. Woo! We're now at Sunset. We usually go to this beach. It's called Hola Hola Kai. We're on a lookout for whales right now. Say hi, Maymay. Hi. The waves are good enough over there for the surfers to be out. It's really cute.
We're gonna have to check the windshield again for all the notes that those surfer boys leave you every time, Julia.
Last time me and Mom were here, we were over on the little beaches down that way, and it was just a really good high swell, and there was a lot of surfers out. And when we were leaving, I had a little note from one of the surfers on our windshield, and I was like, how did they know what car was ours? And I
said, how do you know it wasn't for me?
Oh yeah, maybe it was for my mom. Who knows?
Good one.
Good evening, everyone. It's been a few hours since the last time I updated. It's now like 8 o'clock at night and I'm already in bed. Today was pretty low-key. Everyone's been a little bit drained ever since my stepdad has had his incident. So everyone's just a little tired, and especially my parents from going to the doctor today. All that information is scary and draining. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna go watch some videos or a movie or just relax here, have my alone time, my recharge time, and I will catch you guys in the morning. We just had such a lovely afternoon at the pool. Now we're gonna go get all ready for a nice evening at the Fairmont. We're details. Get in, bitch, we're going shopping. This is the look I did for tonight. It's just a nice neutral look. This has been my go-to look lately. I used the Natasha Denona Gold palette. I did film this look. It's the second look in my 3 looks on palette. How many times can I say look? This is what I'm wearing tonight. It's a cute little romper. I actually got this from Ross for like $10. I love the little lace detailing it has, and it kind of goes high up. And it also is a very deep neck. I got this bralette from Aritzia, and the shoes are also from Ross. This is like my go-to outfit. I leave it at this house in Hawaii all the time. Well, that didn't last very long. We just got back from the Fairmont after having some poo-poos at Pauhana time. Pauhana time is Hawaiian for finished work, so that's their happy hour, and poo-poos is the Hawaiian word for appetizers. So we just had some volcano rolls and some really yummy drinks. It was just such a lovely evening. The singer was so amazing. My mom even got his information for my future wedding, which is so far away because I'm single as heck. But anyways, I think that's it for me today, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow, which is my last day. I'm so sad. Good morning, everyone. It's our last day here. I'm so sad. But today, right now, we're going to go head over to the Fairmont to have brunch. We usually go to the Monolani Hotel for brunch, but right now it's closed for renovations, so we're going to just go head over to the Fairmont. Me and Mom tried that last time we were in Hawaii, and it was really good. So I'm excited to have some Eggs Benedict because that's my favorite thing. I'm just wearing a classic outfit, white t-shirt, high-waisted jeans, and an overpriced belt. After our lovely brunch, we quickly ran home, and me and my mom put on our bathing suits, grabbed our beach stuff, and we headed over to Halaho'olukai, where we had sunset a few nights ago. It's one of our favorite spots. We just came down the path a little bit to one of our favorite beach places, and I'm so excited to share this place with you because it's so special. Whenever I'm here, I always feel so grounded to the earth, and today's really fun because all the surfers are out, so I'm gonna get some really fun footage to show you guys. We just got back from the beach, and every time I'm at that beach afterwards I feel like I just meditated. I always feel so refreshed and energized and relaxed. I just love that beach so much. I'm so happy that I went through with vlogging this trip. I feel like it really made me more comfortable in front of the camera. You guys probably noticed as this video went on. I love sharing my favorite places that are so special to me with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Let me know if you'd like to see future vlogs. I do have a trip to Greece. I will be back here in March for my birthday, and I do also have a trip to the Rocky Mountains coming up. I think that's going to be it from me in this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I will catch you guys in the next one. Mahalo.